Hi guys, all of us were so bored when someone called us. It's so bored when you hear a music, and you want something else. Like if you have Huawei or Samsung, it's gonna be so perfect and you can make it so easy. But if you have iPhone like me, I'm gonna show you what should you do. First, you're gonna download an application. It's called GarageBand. And also you're gonna download other application. It's called the ringtoner. There, the second one, the ringtoner. Okay, and first thing, the GarageBand is gonna take more time more than ringtoner, but it's okay. You're gonna download it. I'm gonna show you what should you do. I want ringtoner, so I'm gonna bring it from here. Then I'm gonna say local video, and you can bring any voice of these. I'm gonna bring something like this. I want to bring something like a song or something like that. So I'm gonna bring this. And I'm gonna put choose the next. And you can name it here with anything. Like what should you write? Or you can write anything. Like I'm gonna write whatever, it's only a name. Then you put here this one, you put not now. Then as a ringtoner. And we go here from here to GarageBand. And when you go here, when you go here to GarageBand, you're gonna see it here, and it's my song L Hon. I'm gonna see L2. Okay. And you're gonna hear it. And that's it. You can record too. Then we're gonna press. First thing, I have this. Let's see it. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. You can try any one. I'm gonna do this one. Then you go with share, and we go ringtone. Export. We go to export, and we are gonna wait till it export, and use as. You can choose anything. I'm gonna press search. I'm gonna press this one. Let's see if it works or no. We're gonna go here. And if it did not work, it means there is something wrong. Let's see there is. And try. Like call someone or tell someone to call you after 1 minute. Call me now. You can just call someone and said, can you please call me? That's it. And see which song you can do it with, any music you want it. Or also you can record a video here. We go to the camera. Okay, then we can record a video. Then we can put it. Like if you just want to say something, you don't want a song, you don't want a music. So you have to do this one. And thank you for this. And don't forget the like and the subscribe and share. And bye. See you in the next application with the next video.